Punta tayo sa ba't entra? Punta tayo sa Aquarius inside sa casino para ano. Yan. Yeah, see?
See people that own this in the stratosphere much better.
Stratosphere? Yeah. So, yan. So, lalabas tayo kasi pupunta tayo sa Riverside. So, I remember you have picture here, Han. That's the one I'm talking about earlier. You was 48 years old that time. Yeah. So, now, ano niya? Concert niya noon. Yan. Tingnan niyo guys. Ganda. Diba? Ano, walang mga tao ngayon kasi Sunday na. Tingnan niyo yung water guys. Napaka-crystal. Diba? Very clean ang water. Yan. Mayroon silang boat, Yan, maka-ano ka dyan guys. Yung tour. Mayroong bayad yan. Yan. So, mayroon silang dinner cruise. So, yan. So, si hubby. I'm so proud my hubby. Engineer, sound engineer. Big concert here. Yan, dyan sila nag-ano noon guys. Yan yung pinupuwint ko. And then, yeah, the stage used to be right here. Yeah. So now, what they put in there? Pool. Yeah. So yan. Kasi mayroon silang boat. Yeah. See? Mayroon silang boat ride. Thank you, you too. Tingnan ninyo. Diba? We don't have enough time, kaya hindi tayo makapag...
They don't do it every hour.
Yeah. So, yeah. I'm very slow today. Kasi Sunday. Di ba ang ganda? Next time, mag-ride tayo ng boat. Wedding anniversary natin for 20 years. Yeah. By that time, our wedding anniversary is very cold. Yes, but now it's too hot too. So yeah, dito guys. Nilagyan nila ng swimming pool. So dito ang concert nila. Yeah, right there. But they put the swimming pool. Inside now?
Ballroom.
So yan. Maganda. Diba? Don't follow me, Han, because it's very hot. You cannot survive the hot weather. Yan. It's nice. You can rent the jet. Jet ski. It's very hot, guys. So, punta tayo sa Edgewater. Edgewater, yan din. Yan ang second, company ni hubby na work niya noon. Yan. Diba? Ang ganda. Hi! So, yan. Diba? Ang ganda. So, yan. Ang ganda. I love the palm tree. So, hindi maraming tao ngayon kasi Sunday na. So, yung mga tao umuwi kasi work. regular job nila bukas, Monday. So, bumalik na sila sa ano nila, residence. Sa mga kung saan sila galing. O, diba? Daddy. So, yan. So, yan guys. Gusto ko pupunta doon sa water guys kasi masyadong very clear ang water. Ang ganda, diba? Diba? So, dito ako noon while si Habi naka-work. So, while I'm waiting for him. So, dito ako. Ay, ang init guys. Hi! So, mainit. Para siyang Las Vegas. Pero naka-distance lang siya for 2 hours galing sa bahay namin. So, hindi siya masyadong malayo sa Las Vegas. So, yan guys. Yeah. They having fun over there, oh. Nag-ano sila ng jet ski. Ah, diba? So, yan. It's hot. Okay. Bye.
You go there and then turn around.
Okay. Oh, it's hot there now, Han.
Turn around.
Yeah.
No fish in the water today. Can't see any fish.
Oh, no fish? I wanna touch the water. That's very nice. Very clean water, Han. There's nobody
Down there. Go down there and touch the water.
the water.
Go down there.
Can we? Miranda. Mayroon silang ano dito, oh. September 27. Oy! Daddy! He's going to the water. Oh. What's that? Ah, Lapland Adventures Jet Ski Rentals. Ano siya guys? $99 per hour. Monday through Friday. So yan. O, diba? It's okay. Wow, ang ganda guys. Yan. More exciting here. More excited here than sa Abe Resorts, diba? Oh, ang ganda. They don't get mad. Wow. Oh, no ducks. Tingnan ninyo.
Touch the
Oh,
water, honey.
ang ganda. Oh, here. Ang ganda, guys. First time ko ito, guys, na mag-touch ng water. Promise. First time ko talaga ito. Oy, ang ganda. Wow. Yan ang adventure natin ngayon. For today's video, ang adventure natin, ito talaga. Yan. Doon. So, yan. Para siyang ano, guys, oh. Yan. Tada! This is my dream. I can touch the water, guys. Ganda. So, ngayon, ako ng, kasi, mag-wipes ako, guys. I don't trust the water. Kahit mukhang siya, maganda, malinis. Pero pag ganito, wipe talaga ako. Kasi, walang filter. Ayan. Ayan. Turn around, Han. The building. Here, give me that one. So, tingnan ninyo, guys, diba? Ayan. Ang ganda. And then, pababa tayo. Yan. Yan ang view. Then, dito sa war. More exciting na, amaze ako dito, guys. Ang room namin noon, doon, guys, kita ba ninyo? Doon. Napakataas. And then, while I'm waiting for, my hubby, dito ako, nakatingin sa tubig, sa river. Diba? Ang ganda. Ayan. So, yan. Okay. Okay, everyone. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Adventures in my life story, guys. And Facebook page. Bye, guys.